Welcome to Shri Priti Education online classes. So today we are going to start a new course of HTML. So let's take a look. What is HTML? This is one of the most important and basic question that arises in everyone's mind. What is HTML? HTML is an acronym which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is used for creating web pages and web applications. Basically, what is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language which is used for creating the web pages and the web application. Let's see what is meant by hypertext markup language and web page. Hypertext simply means text within a text, or we can say that a link is provided that we jump from one page to the another pages, and it is a markup language. It is not a programming language, it is a markup language which is used for the creating of web pages or web applications, and it is used as a markup language, creating a web page language, not a programming language. A text has a link within it, as I told you, that jumps from one page to another page. If you click over to this text, then you will jump to the next page. If you click onto the button, and then you will jump to the next page. So a text has a link within it. It is a hypertext. Whenever you click on a link which brings you to a new web page, जो आपको जैसे ही आपने किसी भी लिंक पे क्लिक किया, you jump to the new web page. आप एक नए web page पे पहुंच जाएंगे. You have clicked on a hypertext. जब आप hypertext पे क्लिक करेंगे, hypertext means where the link is to be provided onto the text. Hypertext is a way to link two or more web pages HTML document with each other. So hypertext is a way. एक ऐसा way है जो link करते हैं two or more web pages को. Two or more web pages is linked with the help of the hypertext HTML document with each other. Markup language. A markup language is a computer language that is used to apply layout and the formatting conventions to a text document. Markup language means a computer language है that is used for the creating the web pages to jump from one pages and to associate one or more web pages. Markup language makes text more interactive and more dynamic. Interactive with the user, that you are like to design for a graphical user interface that interacted with the user and as an interface, act as an interface. It can turn text into images, tables, links. Web pages. A web pages is a document which is commonly written in HTML and translated via a web browser. Web page एक डॉक्यूमेंट होता है सिंपल, और वो HTML में रिटर्न होता है एंड ट्रांसलेटेड बाय अ वेब ब्राउजर, और ट्रांसलेट किया जाता है वेब ब्राउजर्स के थ्रू. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ वेब पेजेस that is interpreted by the web browsers. A web page can be identified by entering an URL, Uniform Resource Locator. A web page can be identified. Web page किस तरीके से आइडेंटिफाइड किया जाता है? जब हम उसमें URL एंटर कर देते हैं. A web page can be of a static or dynamic type. Web page या तो static होता है, one page से link करके another page, फिर another page, और dynamic होता है, the data that comes from the backend side. With the help of the HTML only, we can create static web pages. HTML से हम only we can create static web pages. With the help of the PHP or any other programming language, we can create the dynamic type websites. Hence, HTML is a markup language which is used for creating attractive web pages. HTML is a markup language is used for creating attractive web pages with the help of styling like CSS, and which looks in a nice format on a web browser. An HTML document is made of many HTML tags, and each HTML tag contains different content. हर एक HTML टैग एक डिफरेंट कंटेंट कंटेन करता है. जैसे टेबल है, सो टेबल का टैग कंटेन टेबल, हेडिंग टैग कंटेन हेडिंग from 1st to 6th, and list contain a list. So many types of tags provided by the HTML for creating a web pages. HTML is a markup language, not a programming language. As I told you earlier, HTML is just a markup language, not a programming language. It is used for creating a web pages. So these are the basics of HTML. We will consider the doc type, how the HTML element, HTML document is. So these were the basics of the HTML document. We will consider the HTML document whole tags, how the web page is displayed, how the element web page is displayed, what is the code behind it. So we will see it in our next lecture. Thank you. So please stay safe at your home. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon for the latest updates, and also press I button for the previous video if you don't watch. Thank you.